Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. In the beginning let's open camera. And as you can see right here on the start screen of the camera we've got some modes like video, photo, portrait, panorama, and then we've got more section. Let's start with the video mode. And in video mode we can turn on flashlight, HDR, steady video mode. Also we can put on some filters. Zoom in, zoom out. And adjust beautify and bokeh. If you tap right here, you got access to settings like movie frame, grid lines, macro, track moving objects, AI camera and audio zoom. Now let's go to photo mode. In photo mode we've got similar like flashlight, HDR, AI camera, filters, and also we've got Google Lens. Then we can change aspect ratio, enable timer between 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds, enable movie frame, grid lines, macro mode, tilt shift, time burst, and rear display review. In video mode we can also change FPS between 24, 30 and 60 and change camera resolution between 720 pixels, 1080 pixels, 4K and 8K. Now let's go to portrait mode. It's typical portrait mode with full body mode or just portrait, AI camera, aspect ratio, timer, movie frame and settings. Also, we can change adjust portrait settings, put on beautify mode and filters. And also we can turn on cinematic effects. Next we've got typical panorama. And in more settings we've got 50 megapixel settings. With manageable filters. Night mode. vlog, slow motion, adjustable resolution, and slow motion speed. Also, you can record short video, and you can add some music to this video. Also, you can change speed of this video. Then we've got document scanner, Pro mode, with every available settings in this camera. Next, we've got time-lapse, and we can change its speed, duration. We can enable spot metering and frame average. Also, we can put on filters. Here we've got movie effects, long exposure for moving crowd, neon tails, oil painting, light painting, starry sky, and star trails. Then we've got super moon, and multicam. Now let's check front camera. Of course, we can't zoom out and zoom in, but we can enable beautify mode for our face. Also, we can enable AI camera, HDR, and flashlight. As well, we can turn on palm shutter, show grid lines, movie frame. We can change timer and aspect ratio. Now let's go to settings. And in settings, we can add timestamp on photos, enable mirror front camera, we can enable correct face distortion on group photos, HEIF format, we can change picture quality, change volume buttons functions, enable or disable focus and shoot, adjust press and hold shutter button for record video, burst shoots, and focus. Next, we can customize our layout, camera modes, colors of the camera, and sound of the shutter. We can save location info, enable or disable shutter sound, save previous mode, change anti-banding, enable dual phone recording, check privacy policy and restore default settings. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.